Hello student, today I am going to teach you few important MCQ from Kaveri book, lesson 4, class 9th. Chapter name is Vitamin M. Let's start with the first question. First question is, who is the author of the lesson Vitamin M? O. Henry, आशा नेहमिया, सुधा मूर्ति, दीपक शाह. Correct answer is Asha Nehemiya. Next question is what game had Ravi improved at since grandpa came to live with them? Badminton, football, chess, cricket. Correct answer is chess. Next question is, what does vitamin M symbolize? Music, medicine, memory, mythology. Correct answer is memory. Next question is, who is the protagonist of the story? Vidya, Ravi, Barbar, Grandpa. Correct answer is Ravi. Next question is, where does the family live? A big villa, a poky little flat, a cottage, a bungalow. Correct answer is a poky little flat. It is correct answer. वो एक छोटे से फ्लैट में रहते थे. Next question is, why did grandpa come to live with Ravi's family? He wanted to live with them. He wanted to see the big city and flat. He had no house to live in, no money. He was too old to live alone. Correct answer is he was too old to live alone. वो बहुत बूढ़े हो गए थे और उनको अकेला नहीं छोड़ा जा सकता था. Next question is, why did grandpa dislike the city? The city was crowded and noisy. The flat was too small. There was very little space. There were no friends of his. Correct answer is the city was crowded and noisy. Next question is, why was Vidya worried about grandpa's memory? He forgot where he kept his money. He took a double dose of medicine. He forgot his house. None of these. Correct answer is he took a double dose of medicine. Next question is, what color medicine did Ravi's mother give to Ravi for grandpa? Green, white, red, tablets, green, red, orange tablets, green, red, blue tablets, orange, blue, white tablets. Correct answer is green, red, orange tablets. Next question is, the city felt dash to grandpa. Spacious, suffocating, joyful, modern. Correct answer is suffocating. दादाजी को शहर का जो फ्लैट था वो बहुत घुटन भरा महसूस हो रहा था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाई डिड रवि's mother forbid grandpa from going out alone? The city was crowded, busy roads, he was too slow, he was not fit to go alone. Correct answer is he was not fit to go alone. क्योंकि दादाजी को भूलने की बीमारी थी और उसकी मां नहीं चाहती थी कि वो अकेले बाहर जाएं. Grandpa's walk was described as a run, crawl, confident and steady, shaky. Correct answer is confident and steady. Next question is, what did Ravi's mother wish to invent? A medicine for improving memory, a medicine for improving walking, a medicine for improving learning, none of these. Correct answer is a medicine for improving memory. Next question is, where was Grandpa when Ravi finally reached home? In the market, in the railway station, sleeping peacefully at home, in the school. Correct answer is sleeping peacefully at home. Question is, what emotion did Ravi feel on seeing Grandpa safe? He became fearful, he became angry, he felt relief and affection, he was very confused. Correct answer is he felt relief and affection. Next question is, what did the family realize at the end? They need to move. They underestimate Grandpa. Grandpa needs an operation. Grandpa needs a full checkup. Correct answer is they underestimated Grandpa. Next question is, how did Ravi feel when he couldn't find Grandpa? He felt fear, he felt happy, he felt frantic, he felt calm. Correct answer is he felt frantic. जब उसे दादाजी नहीं मिले थे तो वो एकदम पागल जैसा हो गया था, बहुत ज्यादा परेशान और चिंतित हो गया था, फ्रेंटिक हो गया था। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ट्रेलिंग? जंपिंग, फ्लाइंग, रनिंग, following. Correct answer is following. Next question is the walking stick was made of steel, plastic, mahogany, rubber. Correct answer is mahogany. दादाजी की वॉकिंग स्टिक महोगनी वुड की बनी हुई थी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन What does grandpa behavior reveals at the end? He is careless, he is careful, he is clever, he is foolish. Correct answer is he is clever. What did grandpa tell Ravi's mother about the day? Ravi helped him, Ravi disappeared, Ravi stayed home, Ravi went out. Correct answer is Ravi disappeared. Next question. How was Vidya's attitude towards grandpa? Careful, careless, overprotective, ignoring. Correct answer is overprotective. विद्या यानी दादाजी की बेटी का उनके प्रति जो रवैया था वो बहुत ओवर प्रोटेक्टिव था। वो अपने पिता को बहुत ज्यादा केयरफुल उनके लिए थी और उनको बहुत सुरक्षित रखना चाहती थी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द टोन ऑफ द स्टोरी इज हैप्पी, सैड, ह्यूमरस, scary. Correct answer is humorous. Next question is where did grandpa go first? Bus stop, barber shop, park, tea stall. Correct answer is park. Next question is what did grandpa do at the tea stall? Asked for tea, met his friend, drank tea, and ate snacks. Correct answer is drank tea and ate snacks. Next question is what risky action did grandpa take while crossing the road? He did not cross the road. He waited at the signal. He walked slowly, zigzagged through traffic. Correct answer is zigzagged through traffic. Next question is what was Ravi's dilemma? Obeying his mother or grandpa, choosing between storybooks, choosing between in or out, choosing between mother or grandpa. Correct answer is choosing between obeying his mother or grandpa. उसकी दुविधा ये थी कि वो माँ का कहना माने या नाना जी का। करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, obeying his mother or grandpa. Correct answer is, next question is, what did Ravi do to avoid being seen in the park? He came back home. He hid himself a tree. He ran away. None of these. Correct answer is, he ran away. Next question is, what was Grandpa's profession before retirement? A painter, an advocate, an engineer, a doctor. Correct answer is, an advocate. Next question is, what did Ravi's mother call the imaginary memory medicine? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin K, vitamin M. Correct answer is, vitamin M. Next question is, what gift did Grandpa give Ravi? A detective storybook, a grammar book, a fairy tale storybook? None of these. Correct answer is, a detective storybook. दादाजी ने रवि को एक जासूसी कहानी की किताब दी थी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, Grandpa's stick was made of dash metal and had carved on it brass eagles, brass lions, bronze eagles, bronze peacocks. Correct answer is, brass eagle. दादाजी की स्टिक महोगनी वुड की थी, जिसके हत्थे पर या पकड़ने वाले ऊपर वाले पार्ट पर ब्रास लगा हुआ था और उस पर ईगल की पिक्चर बनी हुई थी. ईगल की शेप का हैंडल बना हुआ था. करेक्ट आंसर इज, ब्रास एंड ईगल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, what kind of chair was grandfather sitting on? Dining chair, round chair, rocking chair, plastic chair. Correct answer is, rocking chair. दादाजी rocking chair पर बैठते थे. Next question is, what was grandfather doing while sitting on the chair? He was thinking, he was sleeping, he was reading newspaper, he was watching TV. Correct answer is, he was reading newspaper. Next question is, when did Ravi's mother bring her father from the village to the city? A month before, 2 months before, 3 months before, 1 month before. Correct answer is, a month before or 1 month before. Next question is, how old was grandfather? 70-year-old, 75-year-old, 60-year-old, 65-year-old. Correct answer is, 75 years old. दादाजी 75 ईयर ओल्ड थे, वो 75 साल के थे. How many years did Vidya's mother die? 10 years ago, 15 years ago, 8 years ago, 12 years ago. Correct answer is, 10 years ago. विद्या की माँ 10 साल पहले स्वर्गवासी हो गई थी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Why did Ravi enter the wrong stop? Why did Ravi enter the wrong shop? He was pushed. He rushed without noticing. He did not know he was free. Correct answer is he rushed without noticing. Next question is what shocked Ravi in the bus? Grandpa was sitting. Grandpa wore a wig. The man was not Grandpa. Grandpa entered in the bus. Correct answer is the man was not Grandpa. जिनका पीछा करते हुए रवि बस में चढ़ा था, जिसको वो दादाजी समझ रहा था, बाद में वो दादाजी नहीं थे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द मेन थीम ऑफ द स्टोरी? केयरफुलनेस, फ्रेंडशिप, care and understanding for elderly, none of these. Correct answer is care and understanding for the elderly.